Is it okay? A is the first event, B is the second event, then joint probability of event A and B. Look at here. That is denoted by A intersection B. The answer is B. Let me take one example. I am going to toss two coins simultaneously. Here is HT, here is TH, TT, HH, HT, TH, HH, TT. These are the outcome. Is it okay? Hello? A is the event. The answer is no. A is an event in which I am going to get head first, head in first coin. Whatever outcome in second coin, that is considered. So, what are the outcome, desired outcome in event A? First is HT, next is HH, next is HT, next is HH. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, event B says, I am going to get head in first coin, tail in second coin. So, desired outcome in event B, that is HT and HT. So, joint probability of event A and B, that is denoted by P of A intersection B, where A intersection B says an event in which A and B both occur. So look at this outcome. Look at this outcome. Take intersection of these two. What is your outcome? क्या होगा A intersection B? It will be क्या होगा? So
HT and HT.
HT and HT. So joint probability of event A and B. Intersection says and. Joint probability of A intersection B is numerator number of favorable outcome or desired outcome, that is 2. Total number of outcome 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, so there are 8. So joint probability is 1 by 4. Any doubt?
No, sir.
That means when you perform, the answer is when you perform an experiment 4 times, at that time you will get one outcome which satisfy A intersection B. Which satisfy A intersection B, that means there will be head in first coin and tail in second coin. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
That is the joint probability. Let us see the definition. It is simple, the likelihood of two events that will happen at the same time. Joint probability is calculated by multiplying the probability of event A expressed as P of A by the probability of B expressed as P of B. That is denoted by P of A intersection B. P of A intersection B can be calculated using the formula P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. First way is this, using this formula. Second way is this, using your outcome. Is it okay? Hello? Next, if A and B are independent event, then P of A intersection B is P of A into P of B. Next, conditional probability. Conditional probability says the probability that B will occur with the given condition. Wait a minute. The conditional probability, the probability that B will occur with the given condition that A has already done, A has already occurred, is called the conditional probability of B over A. Over A. And it is denoted by probability of B over A. B over says A is done, after that B event occurred. The formula for probability of B over A, that is given by this formula, P of A intersection B divided by P of A. Similarly, we can define probability of A over B. A over B, that means B is already occurred. After that, A is done. That is given by probability of B, A intersection B divided by probability of B. Any doubt up to this line? Hello? Let me take in math type. The answer is S is a sample space. There are two events, A and B. A and B. A is the first event. B is second event. When you perform B, at that time A is already done. Any doubt up to this line? Hello?
No, sir.
No. So probability of B over A. Please turn off your TV. That is given by probability of A and B together. A and B together divided by probability of A. Any doubt? Hello? That can be rewritten as probability of A intersection B. A intersection B, that is equal to probability of B over A multiplied by P of A. Take this term to here, left hand side. You will get this formula. Second. Now let us change the role of A and B. B is the first event, A is the second event. Then probability of A over B, that means B is already done. After that A occurred. So probability of A over B says probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Now from this formula, you can say that probability of A intersection B is probability of B over A into probability of B. Is it okay? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Remark. If A and B are independent event, the answer is no. If A and B are independent event, then look at it. Look at it math type. यहाँ पे पता चलेगा. If A and B are independent event, A and B are independent event, then P of A intersection B, joint probability of A and B. Joint probability of A and B says P of A into P of B. Now in that case, your formula, it will be like this. That is equal to A and B are independent. So P of A intersection B is P of A into P of B. So let me take that value. P of A into P of B. We are going to put that value here. P of A cancel. Final outcome is P of B. Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
No. Similarly, in second case, if A and B are independent event, then the joint probability of A and B, that is P of A into P of B. Using this formula, we get probability of B over A is equal to, let us put the value, P of A into P of B. in joint probability, equal to P of A cancel, it will be P of B. दोनों में कोई गलती है यहाँ पे, एक मिनट, नोटेशन में गलती है, ये रहेगी A ओवर B, पुराना वाला ये पेस्ट हो गया, इट इज B, P of B cancel, it will be P of A. Any doubt? Hello? Hello?
No, sir.
Let us take first example. A card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of cards. What is the probability that it is either a spade or an ace? That is the question. The answer is no. So look at this line. How many events are there? यहाँ पे कितनी events हैं? Hello?
Two.
कौन कौन सी?
Spade or ace.
So we are going to take two events. First is A, next is B. What is event A? The card is of spade. Event B, the card is an S. Any doubt? Hello? Hello? Take P of A. So, what is your P of A? You are going to take select a card out of 52 card, and that card must be of spade. So, numerator क्या होगा? What is your numerator?
13.
No. कैसे 13? 13 कैसे? You are going to select a card. Am I right or wrong? Now look at this rule. Do you have any rule for selection of card? Selection of object? Hello? Look at rule 5. The number of way of selecting R object out of an object. तो टोटल कितने कार्ड्स हैं वहां पे स्पेड के? हेलो? कितने हैं? 13. How many card you are going to select? One. Is it okay? That is your desired outcome. Any doubt up to this line? Hello? Next. Now denominator. So how many total cards are there? Total number of cards कितने हैं? Hello? 52. So out of 52, you are going to select one card. Am I right or wrong? Hello? So 13C1, that is 13, divided by 52C1, that is 52. Any doubt up to this line?
No.
Okay. Next, probability of B. What is B? The card is an S. So how many S are there in a pack of cards? हाँ? कितने S होते हैं कार्ड में? Four. So number of desired outcome, it can be one of the 4 S. Is it okay? Hello? Yes. And total number of card is 52. You are going to select one card out of 52. So total number of possible outcome is 52C1. Any doubt? Probability of getting event B is 52 up to this line. Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
कितने बच्चों को समझ में आया? प्लीज राइज योर हैंड. ओके, डन. नाउ कौन सा रूल आपने यूज किया? तो रूल नंबर 5. सो लेट मी राइट डाउन दिस लाइन. रूल 5. यहां पे भी आपने रूल 5 for numerator and denominator. यहां पे numerator and denominator. Now look at this line. What is your aim? Your aim is to evaluate probability that either card is of spade or a card is of as. So what is your aim? आप क्या evaluate करना चाहते हो? कौन सी probability evaluate करना चाहते हो? Either what is that? Your aim is to evaluate probability of A union B. Am I right or wrong? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, next question. What is the formula for probability of A union B? Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
A intersection B. We have P of A, we have P of B, but right now we do not have P of A intersection B. So let us find out probability of P of A intersection B. So what is A intersection B? That card, it must be of spade and as both. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. एक मिनट. Now what is A intersection B? A intersection B says that card must be of spade and as. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So your desired outcome says your card must be an ace of spade. So how many ace of spade are there in pack of card?
Four.
How many card are there which is of ace of spade?
One.
One. So desired outcome is 1. Next, you are going to select one card out of 52. So 52, C and 1. Or you can write down this like 1, C, 1. Any doubt? Hello? So numerator is 1, denominator is 52. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Again, we use rule number 5. So let us put this value 32 P of A plus P of B minus 1 by 52. What is your final answer? Denominator is 52. 13 plus 4, that is 17. 17 minus 1. 17 minus 1. So it will be 16. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So overall final answer is 13 4s are 52. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Fine. So मैं वो सॉल्यूशन नहीं करने वाला हूँ कंटिन्यू, क्योंकि वहाँ पे डिटेल कुछ नहीं लिखा है. ठीक है. सो लेट मी रिमूव दिस पार्ट एंड लेट मी पेस्ट दिस सॉल्यूशन. वहाँ पे कुछ रूल नंबर ऐसा कुछ मेंशन नहीं है. एनी डाउट? कितने बच्चों को समझ में आया? प्लीज राइज योर हैंड. Done. Fine. Thank you. So let us take second example. ध्यान से सुनना. Let me copy this statement in NetDive. So I have to break this line. अभी ध्यान से, ये एग्जाम्पल थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी एग्जाम्पल है, तो प्लीज ध्यान से समझना. If the letter of the word attraction are written down at random, you are going to write this spelling randomly. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Find the probability that all t, there are 3 t, all t occurs together. Second example says no 2 t's occur together. Is it okay? Any doubt in question?
No, sir.
So what is your aim? Solution. Solution first says all t occurs together. Any doubt? So let us take one event. A is an event in which all t occurs together. All t occurs together. So let us start the calculation. ध्यान से सुनना पूरा. First of all, my aim is to evaluate probability of A. So probability of A says number of desired outcome. So divide by total number of outcome. So let us calculate total number of outcome. Now look at this. You are going to arrange this letter randomly. Am I right or wrong? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
So let us evaluate denominator first. The total number of arrangement of letters of the word attraction. First of all, ध्यान से देखिए कौन सा रूल करने वाला है. Please turn off your mic. So look at the list of word. Do you have any rule for changing the place of an element in attraction? कोई रूल आपके पास है? Look at rule 6. The number of permutation of an object where there are n1 repeated item, n2 repeated item, nk repeated item. Am I right or wrong? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So we are going to use rule number 6. Rule number 6. Permutation of objects. So numerator says n factorial. N factorial, that means object. So how many letters are there? Count this number of letters in spelling. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So there are 10 letters. So numerator is 10 factorial. Denominator. So for denominator we have to count how many times A occur. So how many times A occur in spelling? A occurs in 2 times. So it will be 2. Next, T occurs 3 times. R occurs 1 time. Is done. C occurs 1 time. I occurs 1 time. n occurs one time. Let us take some 2 3 5 1 2 3 4. एक वर्ड मिसिंग है, कौन सा? a हो गया, t हो गया, t 3 टाइम, r टाइम, c, हाँ o, okay, wait a minute. So o one time. So denominator is, first letter is 2, so 2 factorial. Next letter is 3, 3 factorial. Next letter is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1 factorial is 1. No need to write anything. Any doubt? So total number of permutation of 10 letter is 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is our total number of possible way. Total number of arrangement of letter. That is your denominator. Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Now we are going to take calculation for numerator. So what is numerator? Numerator says all t occurs together. Any doubt? So let us, how many t's are there? Look at spelling. How many t's are there?
3.
3.
So let us take all 3 t's. That means I dot E dot, that means T as let us take one notation as dollar. Then we have the word A, next dollar, all T are together, RACTION. Any doubt? Hello? Any doubt? All T as dollar sign. So
Sir, that last T will not come.
Remove this T. So whenever dollar occurs, that dollar shows 3T. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, the total number of arrangement of this letter, let me take again. It is, now our spelling is changed. It is $, correction. So again we are going to use rule 6. Now count number of letter in this spelling. How many letters are there?
8.
8. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So numerator is 8 factorial. Now let us take denominator. For denominator, for that we take A. A occurs 2 times. Dollar occurs 1 time. R occurs 1 time. Occurs 1 time. I occurs 1 time. O occurs 1 time. N occurs 1 time. So denominator is 2 factorial into 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial. 1 factorial is 1, so no need to write. So the total number of arrangement of this letter of this spelling is 8 factorial by 2 factorial, where all t occurs together. That is your number of desired outcome. Am I right or wrong? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt up to this line?
No, sir.
No. So let me ask question to this student. चलो कितने बच्चों को पता चला? Please raise your hand. Done. So let us simplify this expression. So numerator is 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 10 factorial. Let me use bracket. So here is your 10 factorial numerator 2 factorial into 3 factorial, 2 factorial into 3 factorial. So 2 factorial, they are cancelled. Divided by 10 factorial. What is your answer? 8 factorial divided by 10 factorial. It will be 10 into 9. Am I right or wrong? 10 into 9. 3 factorial is 3 into 2. What is simplified form? 3 cancel.
1 by 15.
1 by 15. So when you arrange the ladder of attraction 15 times, out of 15 times, you will get one spelling in which all 3 T occurs together. Is it okay? Hello? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So let me take this example in Word file. ये सॉल्यूशन है पर इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा पता नहीं चलता, डिटेल नहीं है कुछ. So let me write down this. Control L. एक मिनट, थोड़ा सा मुझे स्पेस का अरेंजमेंट करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. रूल नंबर 6. नेक्स्ट. ये आपका फर्स्ट पार्ट ओवर हुआ. ओके, हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Now let me take second part. Second part is II. So let me remove this. Second part says no two T's occur together. So second part, let me take one event II, B event. In B event, when you arrange the ladder of the spelling, no two T's occur together. My aim is to find probability of B. Is that okay? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So no two T's occur together. For that, I have to take this first. Yep. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Look at it. How many letters are there? Hello? How many total number of letters?
10.
Hello?
10.
Is equal to 10. Next, the total number of arrangement of letter attraction board, attraction equal to 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. That we have seen. Am I right or wrong? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So we have the denominator. we are going to evaluate numerator. So denominator is 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2, 3 factorial. Is it okay? Hello? Next thing. Now total number of letters कितने हैं आपके पास? Hello. Total number of letters is equal to 10. Am I right or wrong? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Next. ध्यान से सुनना. How many T's are there?
3.
Number of T is equal to 3. So total number of letter without T is equal to कितने हैं? Hello?
7.
So 7. So let us see first arrangement of this 7 element. इनका ही देखना है. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So the total number of arrangement of letter except T equal to. So again use rule number 6. Rule number 6. So first total number of letter, that is 7. So numerator is 7 factorial. Divide by how many time? Repeated. So A take A one time. We are not going to take T. R one time. Sorry, A two time. A two time. R one time. C one time. T, we are not going to take T. I one time. O one time and one time. So in denominator it is 2 factorial into 1 factorial into 1 factorial, so on. 1 factorial is 1. So first arrangement of 7 letter except T is 7 factorial by 2 factorial. Is it okay? Hello? Hello? Yes. Any doubt up to this line? चलो कितने बच्चों को पता चला? प्लीज राइज योर हैंड. So first is this. So we have find out the total number of arrangement of letter except T. There are 7 letters. So first letter, second letter, third letter, 4 letter, 5 letter, 6 letter and 7 letter. They are denoted by this line. Is it okay? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Next, now you are going to put T between this letter, this is your letter, हाँ? याद रखना ये letter है आपका. Between this letter, so that no two T's occur together. Is it okay? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
तो आप T कहां पे रख सकते हो? मुझे बताओ. चलो ये जो है that is this space that is used for the letter which is not T. You can put A, R, C, I, O, N. Is it okay? तो अभी आप T कितनी जगह पे रख सकते हो? How many places do you have where you can put T?
8, 6.
6. चलो कौन कौन सी? यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Am I right or wrong? यही आपका आंसर है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So what about first place and last place? Can we put
Sir,
in last place? Hello? Can we put t in first place and last place?
Yes.
Yes, you can put it. So look at here. ध्यान से देखना. This is star, 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 star. There are 8 stars. These stars a place where you can put T. And no 2T occurs together. Am I right or wrong? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Next. The place is used for the letter except T. Any doubt? Hello? So how many places are there for T? T के लिए आपके पास कितने प्लेस हैं? हाँ? हेलो? क्या हुआ? Hello? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Now look at this. How many places do you have where you can put T?
8.
8. Second thing, how many T do you have in your spelling of attraction?
3.
3.
3. So the total number of arrangement of 8 place 3T इक्वल टू क्या होगा? क्या होगा वो? हेलो? 8 प्लेस में से आपको 3 प्लेस ऑक्यूपाई करना है, तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ अरेंजमेंट क्या होगा?
8C3.
हाँ, इट इज 8C3. That is 8 factorial. 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 3, 5 factorial into 3 factorial. Any doubt? No?
No, sir.
No. Next. अभी न्यूमरेटर के लिए मैं एक और रूल यूज करने वाला हूं. ध्यान से सुनना. रूल कौन सा है? Rule number 2. If there are K1 event on first trial, K2 event on second trial, Kn event on n trial, then the total number of possible outcome is K1 into K2 into K3 into Kn. Am I right or wrong? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
So using this rule 2, I am going to say that the total number, wait a minute, total number of arrangement of letter with no 2T, TWO 2T occurs together equal to first trial arrangement of letter without T 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Second trial arrangement of T in between the letter A, R, C, I, O, N, that is 8 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 3 factorial using rule 2. Any doubt?
No, sir.
पता चला या नहीं? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So here is our desired outcome. that is equal to, let me simplify this expression. So in numerator 7 factorial, 8 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 7, 8, 2, 3, divided by 2 factorial, 3 factorial, again 2 factorial, 5 factorial, 3 factorial. Is it okay? That is equal to. Now one by one we are going to simplify the expression. यहाँ पे factorial. First of all, let us cancel 2 factorial and 3 factorial. So 2 factorial, 3 factorial, they are cancelled. एक मिनट, 7 factorial, 8 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial यहाँ पे गलती है. 7 factorial, 8 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 10 factorial बाकी था. ये 2 factorial, ये 10 factorial, 5 factorial, ये 3 factorial. Is it okay? Hello? 7, 8, 2, 3, 2, 10, 5, 3. Done. Now let us cancel 2 factorial, 3 factorial. So 2 factorial, 3 factorial, they are cancelled. Factorial, 3 factorial, they are cancelled. Next, 7 factorial divided by 10 factorial. What is your answer? 7 factorial divided by 10 factorial. क्या होगा? 10 into 9 into 8. Next, 8 factorial divided by 5 factorial. 8 into 7 into 6. Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
No. Numerator 8, 8 cancel. 8 cancel. 3 2s are 6. 5 2s are done. Next 3 cancel. So final outcome is 7 by 50. Is that okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any doubt up to this line? Any doubt
No.
up to this line? Okay, चलो. कितने बच्चों को पता चला? Please raise your hand. So let me take this file. Second solution, event B, no T, two occurs together. So that is my example. थोड़ा सा पार्ट नीचे चला गया है. Next. So answer is 7 by 15. 7 by 15 says when you arrange the letter 15 times, so out of 15 times you will get 7 spelling in which no 2 T occurs together. That is the final outcome. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Last example of today's session. A company. So, a company has estimated the probability of success of 3 products introduced in the market as 1 by 3, 2 by 5 and 2 by 3. These are the probability. ध्यान से सुनना. There are 3 products. How many products are there? Hello?
3. 3.
3. Let us take one as product 1. Its probability of success that is given as P of A 1 by 3. First product probability is 1 by 3. So here is 1 by 3. Second product B event which is associated to second product. Probability is, what is the probability? 2 by 5. Third product is C, product 3 of C is 2 by 3. Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
No. Next, probability are given. Assuming that events are independent, A, B, C, they are independent. A, B, and C are independent. They are independent. The probability that all 3 products are successful. तो इसका mathematical notation क्या होगा? What will be the notation for the 3 product are successful? तीनों की तीनों सक्सेसफुल होनी चाहिए, तो उसके लिए नोटेशन क्या होगा? हेलो?
A intersection B intersection C.
A intersection B intersection C, that is the notation. Next, now all 3 events are independent. All 3 events are independent. Then from joint probability you can say that it is probability A into probability B into probability C. So final answer is 1 by 3 into, let me take product side, 1 by 3 into 2 by 5, 5, next 2 by 3. So final answer is, what is your final answer? Numerator is 4, denominator is 45. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So out of 45, there will be 4 cases in which all 3 are successful. Is that okay? Hello? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Here is your case 1. Now let me take case 2, second example. Second says the probability that none of the product is successful. तो क्या होगा? None of the product का meaning क्या होगा? What will be the meaning? मैथमेटिकल नोटेशन क्या होगा? अगर सक्सेसफुल के लिए ए नोटेशन है तो सक्सेसफुल नहीं है उसके लिए क्या नोटेशन होगा? उसका ऑपोजिट
A complement.
A complement.
प्रोडक्ट 1 इज सक्सेसफुल, प्रोडक्ट 1 इज सक्सेसफुल. एक मिनट, यहाँ पर मैं So now we are going to take another event, A complement. A complement says product 1 is not successful. So what is the probability of A complement? It will be 1 minus P of A. 1 minus P of A is 2 by 3. Any doubt? Oh,
No, sir.
एक मिनट ना, यहाँ पे मैं वैल्यू लिख देता हूँ तो आपको पता चले. Next, B complement. B complement says product 2 is not successful. Here is B complement. Product 2 is not successful, so its probability is 1 minus P of P. That is 1 minus 2 by 5. 1 minus 2 by 5 is 3 by 5. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
C complement, product 3 is not successful. So product of C complement is 1 minus P of C, that is 1 minus 2 by 3. So it is 1 by 3. Next, A, B, C are independent. So corresponding complement, they are going to be independent. A complement, B complement, C complement. They are independent. Independent event. Event. So probability of A, probability of all three products are not successful is probability of A complement, intersection B complement, intersection C complement. Since they are all independent, so from joint probability, it will be probability of A complement, probability of B complement into probability of C complement, that is 2 by 3, 3 by 5 and 1 by 3. So answer is 6 by 45. Is that okay? So
Yes.
simplified form says 2 by 15. Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Fine. So when you perform experiment up to 15 times, so out of 15 times, you will get two outcomes in which all three products are not successful. That is the solution. Is it okay? Hello? Any doubt in example?
No, sir.
No. चलो कितने बच्चों को पता चला? Please raise your hand. Oh, let me take this solution. Got file? Next. Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
Wait a minute. Let me take this file. Here is your probability file. So let me remove this part because we are going to discuss this part on Monday. So up to this line we have done. So let me upload this file. No. Let me stop my recording.